Hi, Movanova here. So today we're going to do a devlog. I'm going to show you a clip at the end of this for my next video that will be releasing next Saturday. Anyway, see you in the video. Hi, Movanova here. Today we're going to make a new Unity project, a VR game for the MetaQuest 3 and MetaQuest 2, because I don't want to let this content and get VR development to die out. It's probably not going to do very well, but it's alright. So I'm going to set up that movement, like the VR stuff, like you see in every fucking video known to man. I don't want to bore you guys with like the stuff about the VR and stuff. Anyway, I'm setting up this basic menu script where you'll be able to change basically your game movement from joystick to full attack locomotion. So basically anyone can really adapt and play to this game. It's not just for one like genre of people. It seemed pretty good. Anyway, if you don't like this idea, please let me know in the comments. And yes, so we'll work on this more. So what I'm thinking is sci-fi game. Honestly, I don't know how to fucking model myself, so I'm gonna see what's on the asset stores. I probably won't use it because last time I used the asset store, I was building this project Million and Canyon. Search that up on TikTok. It didn't go very well, so I'm gonna see if we can get like some shaders and textures and stuff. Oh, that's bad. Why the fuck's that happening? It cannot be reached. That's alright. Yeah, I've got a new video coming out, next Saturday. I'll be posting a trailer about that shortly after this video comes out. Anyway, we're gonna look for backgrounds now, because why fucking not? We need a background for a space game. It's basically gonna be a space fighting game with robots that are big. And it's pretty nice and good game that I think will benefit all VR players, especially when Rec Room's now gone. Alright, for now I'm going to start making a basic map into Blender, so we can have a basic map. This is one of my first times using Blender. I might not be good. Please, if you know how to help me in the comments, and I might set up a Discord server if this gets more popular. Anyway, just making the big fuck off map, because I want it to be like big, because I want to have like different locations and some like shops around this thing. Like I want to have like an open world, not like just like Gorilla Tag with those stuff. I will have something. I'm thinking of like liquid based things like lava or water, not water, because water would be perfect, or lava or acid or something, to make it make sense that the player can't go over the invisible barrier. They will die, so that'll be funny, and they'll lose some of their kill credits. Yeah, we're gonna have like kill credits where you can buy upgrades for your robot to fight the thicker robots. I'm thinking of an overarching storyline for this, but I don't think it'll be that good. Bro, I'm just yapping my way through. I might shorten this bit down, because it's literally me just creating this big fuck off map. Obviously, this probably will not be the maps in the actual game. I'll probably be doing more like styling, but this is my first time building a map in Blender, so got a water source there. I'll probably put lava in there. Anyway, I'm gonna short this down a bit, because this is getting really boring, and I'm yapping a lot. Hippity hoppity, the map is now in the gamity. I just saw how cringe that looked. Anyway, we're gonna be building the map. I think this is too small for what I'm going for, because we want it so like players don't generally kill themselves on a daily basis, because killing themselves is bad. So we want to build it like big, so like they don't have the effort to get all the way over there. But if there is an out of bounds which will dump you in lava. This will probably not be the actual map. I'm just trying to like set up a basis so I can test. I don't think I have any testing in this, because I'm trying to get the player models and stuff thingied. I do my recording after doing the video. That's why it sounds like I'm delaying and saying stuff after I've done it. But I just want to like see if it will perform well, and then I'll work on like the models and setting up. I've already set up the local motion. I've already tested that. I just want to like test if these videos will get any fame or anything about them, and will work properly on the game, and hopefully get a good development on it. Anyway, I think less of the yapping, and I think I should shorten it down a bit, because I think like I'm yapping all the time. So on to the next bit of the project. Okay, I got a simple model off Mixamo, and I'm hoping, not Mixamo, Sketchfab, and I'm hoping that this will be a good model for the game. I know I said I wasn't going to make a player model, but I feel like I owe that to you. I don't think this looks generally good. I know it's literally just a player model. Maybe this will be like the enemy or stuff, you know, like an AI training thing, so people can actually train their skills up without having to go straight into combat. Yeah, this should be like in the tutorial where you learn how each ability works and stuff. And also a testing ground, which will be in... I'm gonna have like a ship, which everyone will have a ship where they can change the map. It'll be one ship, but like to you it would fly off, but like to the rest of the players the ship will still be there. I think that's a generally good way to put it there. Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna play around with this rig because I don't really know what else to do. Anyway, so this is to next clip. Anyway, this video is looking a bit thingy. That's maybe because I haven't put the music in yet. And also, I think this needs a bit more rework. So I've added lava, and I've got a name for it now. The name is Gilliam. I think Gilliam is a good name. Anyway, so this is a recording of me in the TARDIS with the hostel thing. So basically what I want to say is we need to find a name for the game. And I have run out of clips except from the one where I picked the name out to do it. So anyway, don't mind the hostel SMP. This is literally just a reused clip of stuff. Bro, why do I keep on oh, that's weird. Anyway, time for a new bit of the video. We need to learn what we should name it, and that should probably be the ending of the video if I don't have any more clips. Anyway, see ya at the next bit. Guys, ready for Vic Steel. Bro, that sounded so cringe. It sounded better in my head, but I don't care. I'm too late in the night to change it. Anyway, this is the footage for the video I'm going to do. Anyway, oh, I've just realised something. I'll have to re-record all of it, because do you see that recording thing? Anyway, I'm going to show you this. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share to all your friends, and maybe drop a comment. Hello, can you hear me? And then there's